Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. 11 signs. He wants you to make the first move. We are back at it again with another video, and this time, we're diving deep into the mysterious minds of boys. Okay, maybe not that mysterious. Have you ever wondered if that special guy in your life is secretly waiting for you to make the first move? While some men are upfront about their feelings, others send subtle hints, leaving you questioning what's really on their mind. Well, today we're diving deep into psychology to uncover the 11 signs that men secretly want you to take the lead. Let's get started. Okay, first up, we've got the classic case of he's always around. You know what I'm talking about? You grab coffee at your usual spot, bam! There he is looking cute. You bump into him at that party your friend dragged you to? Coincidence? I think not. If a guy is finding excuses to be around you, it's a huge sign he's interested but maybe a little too shy to make the first move. It's like he's trying to send you smoke signals with his mere presence. And trust me, I'm not talking about that creepy, stalkerish kind of always around. We're talking about those, oh hey you again, funny running into you here. It's all about those subtle hints that he's trying to cross paths with you, hoping that maybe, just maybe, you'll take the initiative and strike up a conversation. Alright, moving on to sign number 2, and this one is all about the eyes, boo. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and let me tell you, they're also a direct line to a dude's heart. We're talking about prolonged eye contact, people. You know that feeling when you catch someone looking at you and you're like, are they checking me out, or is there something on my face? Trust your gut on this one. If he's locking eyes with you for a beat too long, but then quickly darts his eyes away like a startled gazelle, chances are he's totally feeling you but too nervous to make a move. It's like he's trying to send you a telepathic message with his eyeballs. But sometimes you just gotta take the reins, you know? Give him a little smile back, show him you're interested too. Who knows, maybe you'll be the one to break the ice and spark a conversation that could lead to, well, you know. Okay, let's talk about sign number 3, which is all about those chivalrous fellas who are always down to lend a helping hand. I'm talking about those guys who are always offering to carry your heavy bags, fix that broken zipper on your purse, or maybe even help you assemble that IKEA furniture you've been avoiding for weeks. Now, I'm not saying that every guy who holds the door open for you is head over heels in love, but if he's going out of his way to be helpful, especially in those little everyday moments, it could be a sign that he's trying to show you he cares. He's hoping that his actions will speak louder than words. Chapter 4. Sign number 4, Compliment King. Alright, buckle up, Buttercup, because sign number 4 is all about compliments. We all love a good compliment, right? It's like a little confidence boost that brightens up our day. But when it comes from a guy you're crushing on, oh honey, that's a whole different ball game. Now I'm not talking about those generic cheesy pickup lines. I'm talking about those genuine compliments that show he's actually paying attention to you. Did he notice your new haircut? Compliment your outfit? Maybe even say something sweet about your laugh? Those, my friends, are the golden nuggets of compliments. It means he's taking notice of the little things about you, and that's a major sign he's into you. He's trying to tell you he finds you attractive and wants to make you feel good. Chapter 5. Sign number 5, he's like your own personal copycat. Get ready for sign number 5 because this one is straight out of a psychology textbook. I'm talking about mirroring. Now, before you start picturing him standing in front of you making the exact same facial expressions, which, let's be honest, would be a little weird, let me explain. Mirroring is a subconscious behavior that people do when they're attracted to someone. If you notice, he's subtly copying your gestures, like crossing his arms when you cross yours, taking a sip of his drink when you do, or even leaning in when you lean in. It's a huge sign that he's totally feeling you. It's like his body language is screaming, I'm on the same wavelength as you. Please like me back. Chapter 6. Sign number 6. Texting champion. Of starting conversations and then disappearing. Alright, let's talk about sign number 6, which is a bit of a head-scratcher. The infamous he texts first but then scenario. You know the drill. You get a notification on your phone, your heart skips a beat, it's him. He's texting you first. This is it, he's making a move. But then, crickets. The conversation feels one-sided. He's not really asking follow-up questions, and you're left wondering if he actually wants to talk or just felt obligated to send that initial, hey. Here's the thing. Sometimes, guys can be just as nervous as we are when it comes to texting. He might be overthinking every word, terrified of saying the wrong thing and scaring you away. So he plays it safe, sends a quick text and then waits to see how you respond. If you're interested, don't be afraid to take the lead in the conversation. Ask him questions, share something funny that happened to you that day, or even just send a playful emoji back. Chapter 7. Sign number 7. Why is it so hot in here? Or is he just nervous? Alright, sign number 7 is all about those adorable, bumbling fools who turn into a nervous wreck when they're around you. You know what I'm talking about? He stumbles over his words, his palms get sweaty, he might even knock something over. It's like his brain is completely short-circuited. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this mean he's not interested? Absolutely not. In fact, it might mean the complete opposite. Being around someone you like can make even the most confident person a little jittery. So, next time you catch him acting a little flustered around you, don't be afraid to put him at ease. Give him a warm smile, keep the conversation flowing, and maybe even playfully tease him about his nerves. Chapter 8. Sign number 8. Future BAE alert. Get ready for sign number 8 because this one is a major hint that he's seeing a future with you. I'm talking about dropping hints about future plans that just so happen to involve you. He might casually mention a concert he wants to go to, a new restaurant he's dying to try, or even a weekend trip he's planning, but the key here is that he's not just talking about these things in a general sense. He's subtly, or not so subtly, hinting that he wants to be a part of these plans. He might say something like, "Oh, you would love this band," or "We should totally check out that new restaurant sometime." Alright, let's talk about sign number 9, which is all about curiosity. Now, I'm not talking about the kind of curiosity that killed the cat. I'm talking about the kind that makes him want to know everything about you. Does he ask you a lot of questions about your life, your hobbies, your dreams, your fears, your favorite flavor of ice cream? Okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the point. If he's genuinely interested in getting to know you on a deeper level, it's a sign that he sees you as more than just a friend. He's trying to understand what makes you tick, what makes you laugh, what makes you, well, so don't hold back. Share your passions with him, tell him funny stories, and let him see the amazing multifaceted person that you are. Okay, sign number 10 can be a little tricky, but it's a telltale sign that he might be catching feelings. I'm talking about jealousy, my friends. But don't worry, we're not talking about the toxic, possessive kind of jealousy. We're talking about that subtle shift in his demeanor when you mention other guys. He might not even realize he's doing it, but if you pay close attention, you'll notice it. Maybe he gets a little quieter when you're talking about a date you went on, or he changes the subject when you mention a guy you work with. And finally, we've arrived at sign number 11, which is the most obvious sign of all. He straight up tells you he's single. I know, this one seems like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people miss this giant neon sign flashing above his head. If he's constantly reminding you that he's single, especially when you're around, it's not just a coincidence, it's a strategic move. He's putting it out there in the universe, and by universe I mean directly to you, that he's available and looking for someone special. He might casually slip it into conversation like, "Oh, it's tough being single these days," or "I really need to find a +1 for this wedding." He's basically handing you an invitation on a silver platter. So if you're interested, what are you waiting for? And there you have it, folks, the 11 signs that he secretly wants you to make the first move. Sometimes the signs are right in front of us. We just need to know what to look for. If you've noticed these 11 signs, there's a good chance he's waiting for you to make the first move. Remember, confidence is attractive. Taking initiative doesn't mean chasing. It means creating opportunities for connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing relationship insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.